Hi everyone, it's Cameron from tillycrafts.stampinup.net, and today is unboxing day. So this is our new catalogue that runs from May this year to April next year. Can't show you inside yet till May, but we're going to unbox some goodies. So here is my box. I might have to put the box off to the side, but I've not even opened it yet. So let's see if we can get in. There. Whoops. Oof. This looks good. The puppy dog's trying to get in as well. He loves cardboard boxes. So, let's see what goodies we've got in here. Ooh. Right, I'm going to pop these off to the side and then you'll be able to see things better. So, first of all, let's start with the gorgeous blends. Can't wait to play these. Right, I am actually going to do, don't laugh, but I've been to get my nails done today and I asked my lovely nail lady, Katie B, to match them up to the new ink colours. Now just give me one moment because the dog wants to go out. Go on, quick. Sorry about that. So we start off with dark shy shamrock and light. So they're all dark and light. So she's matched them as close to these as she can. So we have peach pie, pretty in pink, summer splash, and petunia pop. So I think she's done quite a good job, don't you? So there's my lovely blends. So my upline Halsey will be most pleased with me because I forgot to order blends last time we had new in colours. And I've also ordered, now these are old ones, these are Beautiful Bright Memories and More and Sweet Thoughts Memory and More, and they're the cards and envelopes. Now the reason I've got these is because I'm doing a class with Ruth from Artful Stamping, and she's doing a mini book with Memories and More, so they're for tomorrow night, so I'm looking forward to that. And we've also got the new in colours. So Summer Splash, Petunia Pop. I think these two are going to be my favourites, even though I like them all. Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, and Shy Shamrock. And we also have a new colour called Basic Beige. Now this one isn't going into a colour family, so it's going to sit with the neutrally set, like we've got a bronze, an ivory, the black, and obviously like the white craft paint, the white craft ink. So that's going to sit with them, but that's quite a nice colour. I like that. And I think that's replacing the, what do you call it? The Very Vanilla Thick. Because we're keeping the thin, but the thick's going. So we've got those. Now I didn't get all the ribbons, and I think I've managed to, let me have a look. I've managed to order 2 Basic Beiges. I don't know why, but that's me being silly. So I've got 2 Basic Beiges, and it's the same type of ribbon as the in colours. Now I've got Petunia Pop, and is that Summer Splash and Summer Splash. I didn't get them all, but we might order more. I'm just going to cut this one open and you can have a look at it. Whoops. There we go. Look at that, it's gorgeous. And it will make a nice bow. Oh, they're going to make really pretty bows. Oh, I love them already. Yes. And then I also got these ones, and this is a duo pack. And it is petal pink and white diagonal trim. So these look a bit narrower than the others. So get this out. That's it. So you can see that's slightly narrower than that one, but that's also gorgeous. And white ribbons you can colour. So that tie's nice as well. Like that. Gorgeous. So I've got petal pink and white there. I did treat myself to some re-inkers that I was missing. So these were on my rewards. So I have Blueberry Bushel, Misty Moonlight, Pecan Pie, Azure Afternoon and Pretty Peacock. So that's good. So that's one of the perks of being a demonstrator. When on your rewards, you can stock up on stuff. You go with that. And I also got some papers. So I was short of Melon Mambo, so we got some Melon Mambo. I got the basic beige, and then I got a mixed pack of the in colours. So you get, I think it's 4 sheets of each in these, because there's 5 colours. So yeah, so they're lovely. Lovely colours. Let's pop them to one side. And I've also got these, I love these, basic grey and smoky slate pearls. Gorgeous, 2 different sizes. And these are the in colour shimmer gems. So they've got all the colours in there. There's some under there, I'm not going to open them just at the minute. But love those. We've got some purple gems, the similar style, and I absolutely love them. So got those. Then, oh, I got these Sunny Spring note cards and envelopes. So I thought I'd give these a go, but there's not many in a pack compared to the others. So we'll give them a go and see what they're like. Let's have a quick look. If I can open it up. Right, let's get in there. Off. Right. So there are 4, there's 5 cards. Nice bright summer colours, and you've got the corresponding envelopes to go with those. That's pretty. Love those. So we'll have a look at those and see what we can do with them. And then next is my big buy that I got, the sweet, beautiful this Thoughtful Wishes. It's a red rubber stamp. Love all these. Got a bit of splatter, and I got these designs, and I've already got a card in mind for these. And we've also got the dies to go with them. Right. Let's get this out. Let's see what these dies are like. And I like how they call the dies the same as the stamp set, so at least you can pair them up. Oh, these are nice. So you've got 1, 2. So you've got these 2 that actually cut out these on here. I don't think there is one for that. I can't see. No. And then you've got like the standalone ones, which are lovely. That will actually cut out one of those, I think. But just one stem, but they are lovely. Oof, can't wait to play. And also in this set you get pearls, adhesive back pearls. Oops. Just going to open these because you can't see the top colours. Oh, they're pretty. Not sure what colours they are. I need to check the catalogue, but I'm not going to do that on here because I'll probably end up showing you the inside when I shouldn't do. And you also get these gorgeous 6x6 papers. And I believe there's 48. Yeah, there's 48 in here. and you get 4 of each. So that's the back and the front. Lovely, these to build scenes on. Plainer on the back. Oops. I can see some great cards coming up with these, just using these papers and a sentiment or maybe a stamped image on top. Lovely. And that one. This is lovely. That's a gorgeous one. And the back of it is nice. And I like this next one too. That's beautiful. Make a nice winter scene. That's nice as well. And that one. That's beautiful. And I like these with the flowers on. Oops. Oops. Can't move my fingers. Oh, that doesn't belong with that one. There we go. So we've got that one, and that is really nice. And I love this. It's like a watercoloured one. Beautiful. Right. So I just need to find a little wallet for that, because I've got some little wallets. And then we also have speciality paper. Now this is Thoughtful Designs Speciality, and it's got Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, can't say it, Calypso Coral, Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, Petunia Pop, Pretty Peacock and Wild Wheat. So you get 3 sheets. Is it 3? No, sorry, 4 sheets. And when I can pick it up, look at that, how gorgeous is that? Can you see the detail? So it's like an ombre effect. Love that. That's the bluey purpley one. Although there is 5 sheets, sorry. That's like the Calypso Coral. This is like the Wild Wheat with greens. And then the blues. Whee! So that is my quick unboxing. So I shall be definitely playing with this, and I shall bring you some projects with it, and we can see what we can make. So thank you very much for joining me for today, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.